Yo, what is up, guys? I'm going to be showing you guys if your receiver is flashing green. I'm going to show you guys how to fix that issue on any of your Traxxas models that has the TSM. I believe this issue only happens when you have the TSM models, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. Easy fix, no programming at all. It is a touch of a button, so stay tuned and I'll show you how. And just so you guys know, this is a half beer kind of job, so just if you guys are wondering, it'll go quick. All right, first things first, turn on your transmitter, make sure it's green, make sure everything's binded. Now, this is a great day, a happy day, and a sad day all in one. Just fully rebuilt this RC. This thing got flipped over in San Diego, and it was destroyed. Electronics were destroyed, everything got rusted. I had to rebuild the front and rear differentials, and it was just it was a pain in the ass. Everything was rusted, electronics got fried. I had to yada yada, it keeps on going on. I just took it for a spin, and I noticed when you turn it on, there's a flashing green light. I went on the forums, I went everywhere looking for it. There's nothing showing that how to fix it. I'm going to show you guys right now. So on your maxX, it's easy. Take off your little cap, grab a driver, and inside there you have your link button. Get on that link button. See if I can get it with the camera as well. Hold it for a second. It's going to turn red and it's going to go green. You are back in regular mode. So what that blinking does is it puts it in drag mode. So the TSM on the, that's why I said this is only for the TSM receivers. The TSM, which you can adjust right here, only works when you are braking, not when you're in throttle, which I kind of like. Because if you know how to drive your car, you don't need TSM. I usually, as you can see, I have it completely off. I feel like it gets in the way, but the TSM braking is actually pretty useful. So I'm going to keep it off right now, just because I'm used to not having any TSM at all. If I lose control of the vehicle, it's up to you to figure it out. But just so you guys know, if your receiver is blinking green, if it's blinking red, totally different issue. That's another video. But if it's blinking green, all it is in drag race mode. So again, to fix that, or to put it back in drag race mode, hold it for a second. It's going to turn red. And it's going to start blinking. And again, now it is in drag race mode, and TSM only works upon applying brake. Hold it again for a second, turn red, solid green. Now it is on throttle, on braking, on drifting. If you're in neutral and you're going sideways, TSM will respond. So guys, hopefully this helps you guys out. More videos on this car. The sad thing about the car today is these batteries are no longer good. They got below the voltage. This car was out of commission for over a year, and these were in storage for over a year, and I didn't keep up on them. So guys, if you guys have these batteries and you guys are in storage mode or whatever, keep them continued in storage mode. It's a very expensive batteries, very great batteries. They worked perfectly for me. One is good, one is bad. If you guys know a fix to get that back up to life, let me know. It is the ID batteries, but I did end up going with these Amazon Power 6500 milliamp hour 60C batteries. I just took it for a spin. There are nothing in comparison of these, but they are good. They will get you rolling. They'll do wheelies. They give you enough power. I haven't tried it long enough to see how long they last, because I'm running on some half-ass fans here and no fan on the ESC, and I didn't want to get it overheated, because this is the fan to the motor. So I still need to get a new fan. I'm looking for a good fan. So if you guys have any fan ideas, things that are aluminum blade, because I go through these fans so much, please let me know in the description below. I greatly appreciate it. But guys, I am so happy to have this thing back in commission. You guys have no ideas, and please stay tuned. There's gonna be more videos on this. I'm gonna be getting more RCs here soon. Stay tuned on the mini bike build, and also Well, that one's already pretty much built, but I also have this mini bike as well that we're gonna be doing more to this winter and getting it going. So guys, please, 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 please subscribe if you like to. It is free to subscribe. I subscribe back to everybody that follows me, and I greatly appreciate it, guys. So please rate, comment, subscribe, and that is it. Later, guys.